Finally, don't pretend to be perfect. Nobody's perfect. And when others, if we're making an effort to have our children see us as if we are perfect, they have never seen us stressed, they have never seen us crying, then we're creating a lot of pressure there that's unnecessary, and it's not real. We've all made mistakes. Maybe you have not made the same mistakes that your teen or young adult has made right now, but you've made others. And so admit them, admit it to them, have a conversation, let them know that you are human, and be vulnerable enough to let them know that you too have been in difficult situations and you have been able to overcome them somehow. Give them hope that they will be able to overcome this. Give them your support. Your support doesn't mean that you support what they did. It just means that you support them because you love them. If you have trouble with any of this, if you're struggling with these kinds of situations and would like more guidance, reach out. So if for some reason this has actually happened and you have come across a point where you feel that you don't really trust your young person, or maybe they don't really trust you, then how can you regain that trust? How can that communication get back on track? And the first thing is that when you ask them to tell you what happened from their point of view, if they're willing to share it, listen. Do not interrupt, just listen. Listen to everything they say without having your phone in your hand and without judging them. Just listen to them. Once they are done speaking, ask them if they want your point of view or your help. If they do, then you can share it. If they do not, if they just want you to listen, then you just listen. And whatever you promise them to do at that moment, make sure that you keep your end of the bargain. We cannot expect others to keep up their end of the bargain if we're not keeping up ours. If we tell them we're going to help you with this, if we tell them I'm going to love you no matter what, then make sure that they know that that's the case. It's not that I'm not going to love you no matter what, but since you did this, I no longer want anybody to know that you're my son or my daughter. That doesn't work. That just does not work. Okay? So it's not a life sentence. It's an opportunity for growth. And by gaining and regaining trust, we can transform even the worst situations into opportunities in which we can all become better people. And I understand what it's like. So give me a call.